Okay, I want to show you another option. If you have Word on your computer, you can easily insert a picture. And let's take the same picture as before. I want the one with the clean background. And I take this one. You can see it's going to be a little bit pixelated because this free program is compressing the picture. If we want a better quality, we need to pay. But for now, this will work. Then you right click and then you say format picture. Then over here you have this option. Press here and then you have this recolor and you press here and you take the middle one. And now you can scroll on this one to see which threshold you like. Maybe I will get some more eyes here, but then I will get a little bit smaller mouth, and you have to work with this and see what you like. Then you can go a little bit back and forth here. I'm trying to aim for some light in the eyes. I think I would go with this one. So then you just go and save file, and then you save it on your computer. Let's say I wanted to paint somebody else. So I go here and I search for images, and then I need to find a picture that is very good of her. I don't want concert pictures, I want portraits. So maybe we could do this instead, portrait. This is a good one because we have good eyes and we have full light. Here you can see there are some shadows here in the side. This one would be very bad. Let me show you a bad example. Save image, Britney, print it, print one, and I'm just going to save it on the downloads. And then I want to take this, compare with this, save it image as Brit 2 and the downloads. Yes. Let's see if we have other options. Also here we have a lot of shadow, so that would be very dark. This could also be a very good picture. Okay. Let's also try this out because I have shadow here. Let's see what happens. This is something you need to practice, and you will learn if you try it again and again and again. Then you will find out on the way what works. Then I go back to Word, I delete myself, I go on insert picture from file, I go to my downloads. Oh, it didn't. Yeah, sometimes that happens. It's so irritating. Then it downloads the whole web page. But that's okay, we can do with these. Let me just make a little space between them. Yes, I right click, format picture, I go over here and I open this recolor and I press here. Let's see, we can go for the saturation, maybe a little bit more saturated, and then we can scroll on this one. Here, let me tell you something. I'm going Control, Command C, then I'm going back. I would definitely remove this background in remove background because it's very disturbing and it makes a very dark picture. But again, let us go back. And then you can scroll on it. You can play with this. If you can abstract for this one, then you can just draw her hair like this. I actually think this is pretty cool of her. I think I would go for this. Let's try this one with the shadow on the eyes. Over here. This one. See, it gets very dark around the eyes, but let's try working with it. It's pretty cool anyway. It can definitely be good. I think I would do this actually. I'm a little bummed because I can't really see the hat. This is making a hole, you know, this is, it's not broken up like here. We have a lot of broken up and it looks like she has a black eye. This looks like the hat is making the shadow, so that's very cool. And let's see here. No. I would do this. This is very cool. So you need to try out, find different pictures and then just put them into Word, and you can see right away if this is something you can use. And if it is, maybe you can go to remove background. You can remove the background if it's disturbing, put it into Word again, or this other threshold image program, and then you can work with that. I think it's so cool. And this is totally free if you already have Word on your computer. So go for it, try it out, and remember, practice makes champion.